Lay the threads across the pattern, as shown. Jacobean couching is a composite stitch with a trellis appearance. It consists of long straight stitches, crossed by a second set of long stitches, creating a trellis work. Keep the threads at equal distance for a beautiful result. The long stitches are subsequently fastened to the ground material by small cross stitches, often in a different color. Now, start stitching small X over each intersection. This will anchor down the laid threads. Jacobean couching stitch is the highlight of the Jacobean embroidery. Layers of threads are laid down across the space to be covered and anchored down with small cross stitches at the intersections. It is an easy and beautiful way to cover a large area of the pattern while leaving white spaces. A finished pattern will look like this when filled with the Jacobean couching stitch. After finishing the Jacobean couching, outline the circle with back stitch. This stitch is a 2 steps forward, 1 step back, by leaving no space between the stitches. A back stitch is a basic hand stitch where the thread is sewn in a back and forth motion. This stitch gets its name from the process, which results in each stitch going backward from the direction of the line you are forming.